Hi and welcome to this new video here. In this video you can watch a time-lapse demonstration of how I draw a curl of hair. It's human hair. I use different ochres, browns, lighter colors like white and ivory, and black and dark browns. Enjoy watching. If you have any questions, then drop them below into the comments. I'm happy to answer your questions. Here I'm drawing a curl of hair. This is really fun to do. I start with an ochre pastel pencils and sketch in the outlines. I like to do that with different colors. Here I also used black and then fill out the base layer with ivory here and cream. So fill out pastel pigment on the highlight areas and then also color the mid-tone layers. Create a nice base layer with different colors and then blend everything together with a paper stamp. I host a 5-day drawing experience event in February 5th to 9th. It's Animal Art Week. I invite you to join Animal Art Week and draw with me together a sweet squirrel and a dog eye, and also as a bonus you get a butterfly to draw. You can subscribe in the link below in the description. I like to use these blending stamps to bring the layers together. Then I add darks, so I add shadow parts in special areas. So here black and dark brown, everywhere where the darker shadow areas are. And I also then blend it again, so always blend with the paper stamp and then add more mid-tones, browns, ochre colors. I really love pastel pencils and pastels in general. They allow to draw a lot of layers. And I'm working on pastel matte paper from Clairefontaine. This is a very high quality pastel paper, and you can imagine it has a little valleys and mountains, and with each layer you draw, you fill in pigment between the space between the mountains and valleys, and the more layers you are drawing, the more pigment you get into these spaces. And at some time then, when this space is full of pastel pigment, then your paper is saturated and your lines start to smear and smudge. And pastel matte paper from Clairefontaine really allows you to draw a lot of layers, and this is the fun thing. You can then build up such a curl of hair with a lot of layers, draw many lines and let them cross and overlap, bring in the darks and the lights, and so you see that a beautiful curl then appears on your drawing paper. This is so much fun. I really love to draw with pastels. You can mix colors easily together, blend the colors together, create beautiful animal portraits with a lot of contrast and depth. And yes, it's so fun to bring also then your animals to life on paper. This is a human hair, but also drawing humans or drawing human hair is really fun with the pastel pencils. So I add here a bit more of darks here with the black and darken down shadow areas, and always change between light and darker colors, bring in more brown. I use here burnt sienna, a nice middle brown, and always blend the layers together and let the lines overlap, follow the hair direction. And so layer by layer you bring this hair to a very realistic look, so you can achieve really very lifelike animal portraits when you are drawing with pastel pencils. I like the pits. They are a bit harder, the pit pastel pencil from Faber-Castell are my favorites. I also draw with them in my drawing lessons, in my art club. It's my art academy, animal art club, where I teach my students how to draw realistic animal portraits with pastels. And in the lessons, most times I use the Pitt pastel pencils. I refine then here finally this curl of hair, and now I add some more highlights finally with a white pastel pencil, and then it's finished. Add some details here and there, so make some adjustments, and then also go in with black once more, and then add some more details here and there. Always take your time to finish it, and now it's finished. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this time-lapse video of drawing a curl of hair with pastel pencils. If you are curious about Animal Art Week, my 5 days drawing event in February, click the link below in the description and join us and draw with me together a squirrel, a dog's eye, and a beautiful butterfly. You get all information via the link below. See you there and see you in the next video.